Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. Today we have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Yeah, boy. I got the turtles. They ruined my childhood. It's ruined. What did they do to them? Look at Donnie. Oh, come on, man. They were those things. The heck? Oh boy, we have coming from four Morse. I think I said it right, but if not, we're about to find out. And you guys can see what other goodies they have. All you gotta do is click on the link down below and check them out. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. Get this out to you in no time. Oh, sweet. This is nice. Really nice. This is coming from Elegiant. My good friends over at Elegiant sent me this fitness watch activity tracker, IP67 waterproof OLED touchscreen smart bracelet with heart monitor. Bada boom. Whoop, backwards. This is nice. Oh yeah. All right. Probably have to run it through my other phone, set it all up. Ooh. There we go. Here we go. Sorry about that. I had the doorbell. This is a nice little smart tracker going during your jogging, everyday use at the gym. Got the bling bling. Turn it on. Oh, come on. If I could get it through this last latch. There we go. Bada boom. Oh, whoops. Alright, not sure what that does. It is power. How do you turn this? Do I just put it on my hand? I'm a righty. Hopefully it fits my hand. Oh yeah. Bling bling. Whip it through. It's been so long since I wore anything on my wrist. No handcuffs. Been many years for that. I don't do that. Get in trouble stuff anymore. Houston. How do we get this thing turned on? God, the bling. Bling, bling, bling. Feels like a handcuff though. Back in the day, bad memories. I might actually have to read the quick reference guide. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh, you can control 5 fingers. Power on, long press MF button. So that I know what MF stands for, but I can't repeat it on here. Press the mother beeping. Maybe it needs to be charged. Let me take it off my wrist. Put it back on in a minute. Alright. Now it said hold MF button. That ain't it. Yeah, I never had one of these. I was debating on which ones to get. Definitely this would be a great one to get at a low cost. You can thank me later. Hold on. Pause it. Alright, I found the MF. It's right down here. Supposed to just hold it. It says power and long press MF button. Alright. What the heck? Turn on. One, two, three. Maybe it needs to be charged. There's no cables. I don't understand how. Oh, Bluetooth. I gotta find my phone. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we got it charged up. Should be good to go in a few seconds. I'm gonna give it extra time, but there's the strap you gotta pull out. The MF is right underneath it, not this strap, but that one. All you gotta do, plug it in. So that's really cool. I didn't expect that to do that way charging. So definitely interesting. And I'll be right back. Alrighty, here we go. We had downloaded the app on the Elegiant QR scan they got for iOS, and it's so bright. There we go. I got the iOS and the Android app. I used Android, scanned it, popped it up on my backup phone. Gotta have one of these. And then I downloaded the app and then allow. It is called FlagFit 2.0. Just allow. Okay, so there's smart me. You just enter your info. Cancel. Find bracelet. All right. Now let's see the moment of truth. See if it it's good enough to go. And then you gotta snap it in there somehow. There we go. Nice and easy. Come on. There we go. That worked. Okay, there's a heart. See, we gotta disconnect the band. Home. Oh, there's weather. Okay, that's cool. Gotta set that up later. See. Find brace, disconnect band. I don't want to do that though. Different modes: biking, running, time. I have to fix that. Set that all up once I figure out how to add device. There we go. That's it right there. Add device. Oop. There we go. Boom. That was easy. And you can do all the call reminder, SMS reminder. A lot of great features. And then I want to strap it on my wrist. And like I said, it's lightweight. It's not even that. You won't notice that it's on your wrist. So definitely I'm going to use this one. So thank you guys over at Elegiant. Sorry for not getting it set up right away, but it's the first time doing this. There we go, we got it on the wrist. I think I put it too tight. Oh, so you could raise your hand. It turns on. That's a little tight. I didn't think it would be that tight now. Got the circulation. There we go. Right there's good. Feels good. So they got for men's or women's. Look good. Raise your hand. And once you start walking, it'll do the numbers. 7:45. See, that's correct time. Once it gets hooked up, it'll show Saturday 7:45. Staying alive. So really cool. So thank you guys at Elegiant for sending me this smart tracker. And you guys will get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below. Check them out. Be safe. Have a great weekend and see ya.